What's up, y'all? Thank you so much for checking out the video. So today, guys, I want to show you my new truck that I just bought. Well, it's new to me. It's not actually a brand new truck. Man, trucks have gotten so stinking expensive, but I'm just really fortunate and really excited to show this to you today. So let's talk about what we're gonna do. I'm gonna show you the truck. We're gonna walk around, kind of show you some of the features. This is a truck that I've been wanting for a really long time. It is, like I said, new to me, but not a new truck. And it is a different type of truck, one that I've never bought before or never owned before. So I'm kind of looking for some advice. So if you guys have any advice, leave that down below. So I sold my truck, my Tundra, that I absolutely loved that truck. It's probably one of my favorite trucks until now. I sold that to my 17-year-old son, who will be going off to college in about a year. And we wanted to give him something that was a little bit bigger, something a little bit more reliable than he had in his little Tacoma. So he got it for a great deal. I sold it to him for a great price. Nonetheless, I'm gonna flip the camera around and we're gonna show you this beautiful truck that I just got. But before I do that, leave me a comment down below. Pause the video and let me know what you think it is. I'd love to know what you guys are thinking. With that, let's get into the video. All right, guys, so this is the truck, a 2024 GMC Sierra 1500 with the AT4 package. And it has the 3.0 liter Duramax turbo diesel engine in it. Man, let's just step back and take a look at this truck. An absolutely beautiful truck. I am in love, and I have loved these GMC Sierras, especially the AT4 trim, for a long time. Now, I have never owned a diesel vehicle before, so if you have some advice that you wanna add, be nice to me. Obviously, everybody has kind of a brand loyalty there, so just be nice in the comment section. But I think this is an absolutely beautiful truck. I love the way it stands. It's just gorgeous. I love this gray color. Of course, those red tow hooks on the front are just gorgeous. I did tint the window here. I got it ceramic, I guess the ceramic tint, and it just looks phenomenal. It's got the running boards, of course, the AT4 package. I'll take you guys inside and show you that, but it does have a 2-inch lift from the factory, which is, I mean, just an absolutely beautiful looking truck. 20-inch tires on this truck. I am gonna put some mud terrains on here just to give it more of an aggressive type look to it. This has the short bed in here. I am gonna get a tonneau cover. I believe it's due to be delivered via FedEx tomorrow. So excited about that. It's got the multi-pro tailgate here, which I thought was kind of cool. So I'll show you that. So you just push the button and the tailgate drops, and then you can even drop it one more click. You drop it one more, just like that. And then this folds down and makes it so that you can climb up in the tailgate really easily, just like that. Of course, spray-in bed liner, which is really nice, like that. Just fold this up. Nope, you just push that up. Footstep to be able to get in the tailgate. Absolutely beautiful truck. Again, still learning how to take care of a diesel. You do have to add DEF fluid to this about once every 3,000 or 4,000 miles, which is really cool. I bought this cap on Amazon because GMC doesn't give one with it, but pretty cool here. You just kind of magnetize that. Takes some getting used to buying diesel fuel. That is for sure. When you've been buying gas your whole life, takes some getting used to. So let's take a look inside the truck, show you what it looks like. Of course, black leather interior with the Kalahari accents, just an absolutely beautiful truck. Let's get in here and start it up so you guys can see it. All right, it's like 1,000 degrees outside. So let's start the truck up. All right, I did get a Banks iDash Pro. So for those of you that are not familiar with diesel engines, you do have to go through a regen process, and the dash is not going to tell you that. Basically, there is a diesel particulate filter that has to be cleaned out ever so often, and this little Banks dash will tell me. Of course, you can see what I've got right here on my settings. I've got the particulate filters at 43%. It shows my engine exhaust temperature. Let's see, diesel, this is my DEF fluid level, and then a gear. Of course, I'm in park or neutral. But I just thought that was kind of cool. That is pretty expensive little deal, but I personally just want to know when my vehicle is in regen so that I can complete that as best as possible. Of course, this truck does have 4-wheel drive as well, 4 high, 4 low. Just an absolutely loaded vehicle. Parking assist, lane departure warning, auto start stop, which I hate. I can put down the tailgate right here. Of course, caution lights. Downhill assist is right here. This is traction control. Heated and ventilated seats. I mean, just everything. Everything that you could want in a truck, and I love it. It's got a sunroof right up here as well. It's got a digital mirror, which is kind of cool as well. Don't ever use that. Of course, glove box, extra storage here, just everything. An absolutely clean truck. Let's take a look at this diesel engine. I just love the way it sounds. Gorgeous truck. Love the way that diesel sounds. Super clean. So yeah, I was a little apprehensive about buying a diesel engine for the first time. Don't know really how to care for it. I know they are more expensive, but the fuel mileage that I get, I'm averaging about 31 miles per gallon on this truck, which my Tundra, I was getting like 17. So that's a huge difference. With my job, I do a lot of driving throughout the week, so that gas mileage is really going to pay off. But just an absolutely beautiful truck. All right, so as I mentioned, thank you so much for checking out the video. I know a couple of you were asking about the truck, so I just want to be a man of the people and oblige you. Let me know what you think about the truck. If you have any advice for me as a new diesel owner, please let me know. I've heard comments about making sure you run some additive in the fuel, so I'm making sure that I'm getting 1 ounce of the hot shot every time I fill up. I hear that's really important. And then also just maintenance. I've heard making sure you stay on your maintenance of a diesel vehicle. Other than that, would love to hear from you guys. What do you think about the truck? Thank you so much for checking out the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.